In this video, I'll show how the Blood Overhaul IV mod makes GTA 4 compact look more realistic and better blood and damage effects. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the download option. Select start download option. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select pen drawer and select extract to. Once the file is extracted, open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have it installed yet, check my video description for this tutorial video. Watch this video and install the OpenIV. Once you installed OpenIV, select the Tools tab and select Package Installer. Now open the mod we extracted. Select the OIV file and select Open. Select this Install option. Select Confirm Installation. Before doing this, back up your GTA 4 game folder. Just right click on the game on the desktop and select Open File Location. Just copy the folder and paste it in the same location, rename it backup. Once you did, come back to this mod installation, confirm installation. Once this installation completed, just close stuff here and launch the game. You can easily compare this using this before and after. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.